Hello students. Question number 60 is and 61. They are common data type questions from transportation engineering from topic of highway materials. And in question number 60, some data is given that is regarding weight and specific gravity of various type of material that has been used in mix, and specific gravity is also given here. Five type of materials are used, where A1 there it is coarse aggregate, A2 is fine aggregate, A3 and A4 they together constitute the filler material, and A5 is the bitumen material in total mix. And it is asked in the question that what is air void percent in sample. Now to calculate percent air void in sample, we have a direct formula that says that percent air voids is theoretical specific gravity minus actual specific gravity or bulk specific gravity of material divided by theoretical specific gravity. Now to calculate theoretical specific gravity, it is determined for the Marshall mix as total weight of the sample, that is W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4 plus WB or W5 in our case, divided by W1 upon G1 plus W2 G2, W3 G3, or in simpler way it is Wi upon Gi, where I varies from 1 to n, where n is the number of material. So Gt after substitution of W1 as 825, W2 1200 and so on, and G1 and G2 in similar manner comes out as 2.405. And how to calculate Gm? Now it is given that for one Marshall specimen, for 475 cubic centimeter of material, density was obtained as weight was obtained as 1100 gram. So Gm or bulk specific gravity of material is 1100 upon 475, that is 2.316. Now we know Gt, we know Gm. Percent air void can be calculated as Gt minus Gm upon Gt, which comes out as 3.741, making C as the closest choice. Hence correct answer for question number 60 is option C. Thank you.